Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. In this video we will see channeled messages from your person, what your person has to say to you right this very second. Also I will pull out few messages from different set of message sets. Also in the end we will see advice for you and your person in this connection. So now let's quickly jump into our reading and see what your person has to say to you right this very second. Okay, we got 3 cards: the World in reverse, Justice in reverse, and the Magician. 4 cards we got. Knight of Swords, and bottom deck energy we got 8 of Swords in reverse. So I will take out this card also. Okay, now first I like to discuss all the signs. We got major arcanas. We got 3 major arcanas in our reading today. So I'm getting Libra, Aries, Aquarius. We got air sign, friends. So air sign is prominent in our reading today: Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Also fire sign, Aries. So these signs can be sun, moon, rising or Venus. So just take however it resonates with your current situation, friends. Now let's quickly see what your person has to say to you. So let's start. In the past, I did not get closure in this connection. There is some unfinished business between us. I feel that we both are meant to be together. We did not get divine justice. This separation has caused chaos in my life. This distance between us was not correct. We both knew that this distance, this separation between us is injustice to the divine, is injustice to our souls. I am manifesting you continuously. I have a strong desire to communicate to you. I really admire you. I want to rush into your life. I am waiting for you to come into my life again, to return back to me. I am getting clarity in the current situation. I do not want to keep myself in the stalemate situation anymore. I want to remove all the masks and have this beautiful union with you. I want to experience our togetherness. I want to communicate to you with pure intentions to resolve issues between us. Now I am seeing things from different perspectives. My self-limiting beliefs were holding me back in the past. which created this separation, but you meant world for me. Please don't break our relationship. I want to spend my whole life with you because I can feel this connection is beyond physical and emotional. I can feel that we have spent many lifetimes together. I don't want to break my marriage with you. I want to marry you. I don't want to go for divorce. I want to mend our relationship into a beautiful union. I really looking forward to be with you in this lifetime, to end up with you in this lifetime. I want to win you back. I want to experience all the happy memories which we have always dreamt of, always dream about, creating these beautiful happy memories of our togetherness. So I want to experience all that with you, my love. I'm coming towards you. This time I don't want any confusion or obstacles to hold us back from getting together. I just want to come rushing towards you, want to bridge this distance, bridge this gap between us by breaking down all the emotional walls between us, because this time I want transparency and we will create magic together. So now friends, quickly we will see messages from the box. Also we will see other messages also from different set of deck. You are very sexy and attractive. So yes, we got Magician, so they really admire you a lot. I will never admit it, but I think I need you. I'm afraid to tell you. So yes, we got Eight of Swords in reverse. So they have to really foster courage to take action towards these new perspectives which they have gained in this connection. I would give anything to hold you. I lay awake at night worrying about us. There is no one else that knows me the way you do. So yes, they feel this connection beyond physical and emotional one. So they really feel this is a spiritual connection. I screwed up. So yes, with the World and Justice in reverse. So they acknowledge that there were things which went wrong between you both. I'm going to do something surprising. Yes, we got Knight of Swords, so might be they surprise you with some date or surprise party. I won't let my fears keep us apart. So yes, they have gained this perspective that their fears were holding them back from coming together with you to take this connection to the next level. So but now they have gained a new perspective. You are my life. So yes, with the Magician in the center of our reading, they are really manifesting you. I want to take a risk with you. The thought of you with someone else drives me crazy. The chaos this creates is too scary. So yes, they are still planning. They are in planning phase. They are still, though they have gained clarity about this connection, about how their own self-limiting beliefs were keeping them holding back from coming towards you, but now they are planning how to implement into action, how to take step forward to come towards you. Okay, because they have lots of desires to rush in towards you, but Knight of Swords is a card, like is a fast moving card, but like often it is unplanned. Okay, so like it is rush in and rush out types of energy, but they really need to think of some plan. Okay, they are ready to take a risk with you, but they feel they still can feel that that this can create chaos in their and your life as well. Okay, now let's see other messages, friends, what we are getting. So these are some special messages created by me. So it consists of like some objects or some places which can be linked with you, which is special between you both. Okay, so I will love to hear from you all in the comment section if some story or some special connection of this object or place has which reminds you to be with your person. Black shirt, so maybe there is some special significance of this message. Black shirt, maybe you gifted them a black shirt or something, story is related with this. Let's see one more message, what is coming. So maybe there is some special connection with this black shirt or some memory. We got two messages, lipstick and shoes. So I will love to hear from you all in the comment section regarding if you both share any stories with these objects, lipstick, shoes together, like there is some special significant story. And bottom deck energy, we got Romeo and Juliet. So maybe any one of you are fond of stories of Romeo Juliet, or attending play of this, or you or your person were the part of the play. So just take however it resonates with you, friends. Now let's see some other messages, then we will move to your advice from Moonology cards. So first we will see what is coming through. Okay, we got this. I wish I could take back my words. So yes, it feels with the Justice card in reverse that something which should not happen, which has been gone wrong between both of you. I keep comparing others to you, so maybe this is the reason why you left them, or you walked away from this connection. And bottom deck energy we got, I wish you were mine. So now let's see messages, advice for you and your person in this connection. Okay, we got your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. So maybe you are also manifesting this person, so you have really worked hard in yourself, in growing yourself spiritually, emotionally, and you have not lost hope in this connection. You are continuously manifesting with pure intentions, with by detaching with the outcome. So your hard work is paying off, what spirits are saying to you. And now we will see some messages, advice from spirits. This is a little long reading. Okay, we got believe in what you are capable of. And bottom deck we got you are very intuitive, believe it, pray, have faith, plus don't worry. So for faith we got two messages from spirits: have faith in your dreams, pray, have faith. So spirits are indicating here that you should continue to keep faith in whatever you are manifesting. So it is really helping you and your person to come to the other side of the problem, okay, to heal and to grow spiritually. And you are manifesting union with your person, which is coming to you very soon. So that's it for today, friends. I will love to hear from you all in the comment section below, and also I will love to have you subscribe to my channel. So friends, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye friends, take care.